So we are going to mock up this dress. I'm going to use this dress for the size, but I'm going to redesign it later on. I'm gonna measure the front and the back. So how I do the tracing at the front is I'm gonna do a half fold. The dress is going to be in half fold. It's straightened, the neckline, side seams, and the sleeves. So all the way. Then I'm just gonna trace all the way. Then this is the pattern. So this is the final pattern for the front. And this is going to be on fold. So for the back pattern, just trace. It's better to pin so it stays straight. So just trace. So to straighten, I'm gonna use my ruler. And in order for you to be able to really find out if it's the real measurement, you can review and compare the dress size or the dress measurements to your pattern measurements. Just so you know, you won't be surprised when you sew in the dress, oh, it's smaller than the actual measurement. So we don't want surprises in this case. So, and then we're gonna walk the pattern afterwards. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on our seam allowance. Alright, so we finished the top pattern. We have here the front pattern and the back pattern. Alright, so here are the materials that we need. So we have the lace fabric, we have a horsehair, we need some scissors, and of course our tool that's going to be an underlay, skirt underlay. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got the fabrics, I've got the lace, and I'm going to put some underlay, which is a net underlay, just to reinforce it. Because this lace is very sheer and it's a bit thin, so just to make sure. And this is my pattern. Alright, so we have here the cut patterns for the front, and this is for the skirt overlay, and we're gonna start stitching them now. So this is the tool that we're gonna use for the skirt overlay. This is on fold. The width is about 108 inches and it's 100 inches long